I think it will help the party in the upcoming election. I think the master stroke that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Arun Jaitley did. I guess Arun Jaitley was the brilliant legal mind which worked out. Because the Supreme Court had the judgment on the 50%, they said that there must be a reasonable criteria. Now, this reservation is for the non-reserved sector. Exactly. Non-reserved means they should not be part of the SC ST community or the backward community, etc. And they are the non-reserved. The non-reserved includes Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, minorities, everybody. It is not for the upper caste. Exactly. Like some people have said, it's not for the upper caste. It's for everybody else who doesn't have reservation. And there in the order of priority, 10% of jobs in government, 10% of seats in government institutions are for the economically weaker sections. And who are the economically weaker sections? For the backward communities, government has defined them at 8 lakhs family income. It's not individual income, 8 lakhs family income. It is already there. It's established for many years. They raised it from 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs. The same will apply here. So if you have 8 lakhs or less than 5 acres, same kind of criteria for the backward communities that is there, you will come on. I think it's a very good move because the people who are not past the reserved community have been very angry and upset. They're saying, why do you discriminate against us? What crime have we done? We are also Indians. We have been born. If you say somebody discriminated against somebody 100 years back, 1000 years back, why should it impact me? It's the right question to ask. Now you have got, and they've always been saying that we must give it based upon poverty, and now you come out with 10%. I fully support that. It's a master stroke. I'm sure the Supreme Court will support that.